Real Power's headquarters and vertical manufacturing facility, located in Oklahoma City, close to the international airport, is complemented by an equal size and similar layout facility in Houston, Texas, and ships products worldwide. The operations here in Oklahoma City begin with steel processing using plasma, sheet laser, and water cutters. This phase cuts, notches, and shapes the steel to be further processed in the fab and the CNC machining stage. Small parts are run through the wire EDM machine, cutting very tight tolerances for automated equipment. Small steel parts are run through deburring tumblers for further refinement before being issued to a CNC machining. Quality control checks are performed at every stage to ensure that all processes comply with stringent standards. Parts are transported using a crane-assisted routing system, ensuring optimal efficiency and safety. Upon arrival at one of the welding stations, you'll find it fully staffed with AWS-certified welders. A cart rail system also aids in routing, particularly at the prime and paint station. Our processes are overseen using a wireless system for real-time data tracking. This is a fully integrated software solution that seamlessly transmits data from our ERP across the entire factory floor. Advanced quality stations employ a portable coordinate measuring machine to evaluate parts precisely against the engineer's specifications. Electrical panels are certified under UL 508A, with finite element analysis engineering software meeting the highest standards. Real Power optimizes potential within the mechanical and electrical engineering teams by equipping them with the latest software design tools. This enables them to conduct computerized testing models and leverage emerging technologies. They utilize PLC controls to program automated equipment while in the highly efficient assembly bay. Throughout the workflow, there is prominently placed clear signage, which is color-coded and reflects the commitment to lean manufacturing principles. Sales and engineering collaborate closely with each client to tailor specifications for machinery automation. This provides the flexibility for automation to be either partially or fully implemented based on the specific needs of the client, creating equipment designed to enhance efficiency, improve safety, and reduce labor requirements. All of the many computerized screens across the factory floor station provides controllable 3D models and specifics for each incoming order. This setup enables us to operate 75% paperless. Visual key performance indicators are displayed on the manufacturing floor, ensuring daily dedication to maintaining ISO certifications. The company takes pride in the efficient U-shaped workflow, multiple quality control checkpoints, and the exceptionally high standards upheld for every piece of equipment we produce. This is how we earned the reputation as the most trusted name in reeling, spooling, coiling, and winding for flexible materials.